Hello, my name is Ashley Lebke. Today we're going to be learning about functional analysis. To start, what is functional analysis? Functional analysis demonstrates a functional relation between environmental variables and behavior. Cooper and colleagues state, in relation to determining the function of problem behavior, functional analysis entails experimentally arranging antecedents and consequences representing those natural routines so that their separate effects on problem behavior can be observed and measured. So why do we perform functional analysis? Functional analysis helps us to understand the why behind behavior. Functional analysis conditions that are tested are play, which is the control condition, and attention, alone, escape, and tangible, which are the test conditions. More than one condition can be the function of behavior. Conditions should be tested in varied order across multiple sessions. Once completed, data is graphed and an individualized intervention can be implemented. The play condition or the control condition. The purpose of the play condition is to provide a baseline measurement of the target behavior. During the play condition, preferred activities are always available. The client is given attention without demands being in place. If the problem behavior occurs, it should be ignored or redirected. The first test condition we will address is the attention condition. The purpose of this is to determine if the behavior is maintained by social attention. During this condition, attention is withheld from the client. If a problem behavior occurs, attention is provided neutrally. For example, if a child picks up a toy and throws it across the room, the therapist would calmly say, "Don't do that," or "Let's play another way." This is done so the attention doesn't end up being a reinforcer. The purpose of the alone condition is to see if behavior occurs without outside social distractions or triggers. In the natural environment, to ensure safety, the client is left alone with little to no materials. The therapist will monitor the client from afar and record their observations. If a problem behavior happens to occur, it is ignored or neutrally redirected. The purpose of the escape condition is to assess if the behavior serves as an avoidance of tasks or demands. To carry out the escape condition, the demand is given. Then the behavior is modeled. Finally, the task is completed hand over hand, guiding the client in completing the task. If the problem behavior occurs, the demand is removed and a break is given. For example, if you want the client to wash their hands, you would say, "Please wash your hands." Then you would model how to wash hands. Finally, you would take the client's hands and run them under the water, get soap, and wash hands the way that you expect them to wash hands. The final test condition we will address is tangible. The purpose of the tangible condition is to determine whether the behavior is motivated by a specific item or activity. The client is given access to the preferred activity or toy for a predetermined amount of time. Then it is removed and the client is given access to moderately favored and neutral toys. The teacher gives attention during this condition. If a problem behavior occurs, the preferred item or activity is returned to the client. So, what happens after testing all the conditions? The data that was collected should be graphed and analyzed. This helps to identify patterns in behavior as well as the function of behavior. When implementing intervention strategies, make sure that the client's needs are met. Finally, communication among the team as well as with the client and their family is crucial in ensuring a successful intervention. I hope this presentation helped in understanding what and why functional analysis is important in applied behavior analysis. Thank you for listening.